I love when I get this in the mail. It makes my day. So if you'd like to see what masks I got this month, then just keep watching. I'm going to link Facetory down below because if you love sheet masks, if you love skincare, if you love to mask in general, you have not got a subscription to Facetory, you're missing out. For the price, oh, it is so cheap. There are two options, so check them out. So check them both out down below. So first you get this little card that gives you like instructions. Then you get the card that tells you a little bit about each mask because they're all written in Korean. So I can't read Korean. The first one we got is Rose, which, I mean, we match. I love anything rose. So this this mask has rose flower water, a gentle antiseptic and astringent. This extract helps lighten blemishes, minimize redness, and soothe irritations. Green tea extract, which is rich in antioxidants and niacinamide, which improves the appearance of enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, and strengthens the surface of your face. This will be the girl that I use tonight. All right, the next one has this cute little redhead on it. It's called the Yada Soothing Mask Pack. The cacti on the packaging of this mask makes us want to book a trip to the desert right now. No, I don't want to go to the desert. Once it's booked, we'd use this soothing mask pack to soothe our skin and relax. It has honeysuckle flower extract, which prevents signs of aging. I need a lesson on how to read a lot of the words on here, if you have not noticed. Portulash. Let's just put it right here. It's an excellent antioxidant that fights premature aging and protects the skin from the environment. Oh, I like the look of this one. So this is the Medius Ample Synergy Mask. Whew! Full of jelly essence, this mask is amazing for the hotter summer months with its light and non-runny consistency. It will hydrate and moisturize your skin. It is made with grapefruit extract, which is rich in antioxidants and vitamins. This extract will make your skin glow and even out your skin tone. Yes. Hyaluronic acid, which we all know and love here on this channel, which is a powerful humectant that keeps the skin plump and hydrated. And then Trehalose has rehydrating water binding properties that helps the skin retain its moisture. And our last mask of the day is the Nature Republic Real Nature Mask Sheet with Aussie Berry. Not only are Aussie berries the perfect summer snack, it is also an amazing ingredient to keep your skin bright and healthy. It has Aussie berry extract, which is an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. It has Arnica montana flower extract. This moisturizing ingredient contains antibacterial and antiseptic properties to improve the overall health of your skin. And and Gentiana lutea root extract, which is a purifying, soothing ingredient that has additional antioxidant benefits. You know, I may not be able to read the ingredients, but I do notice the benefits. These masks are amazing. As I said, I will link it down below. Check it out. Literally, check it out. It is cheaper than going to the Dollar General and buying. If you went to the DG and bought 4 masks, you would spend more than you're going to spend on this subscription. So, check her out. And thank me later. All right, my loves.